Hey lovely, so today I am doing a wash day routine on my 6-year-old. She just had some box braids in her head, so I'm just showing you what it looks like after I've taken it down. She still has like the parting from the braids and everything in there, so we're going to do a fresh wash day. So right now I'm just putting some water on her hair, trying to get all of that old product out. I'm going to make sure her hair is completely saturated. We're going to get rid of all that product that's been in there, the gel, the grease, everything. As you can see, it's running down, and we're going to drench it to get all of that stuff out until nothing else is coming from her hair except just clean water. So now I'm about to shampoo her hair. I am using Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Oh So Clean Moisturizing and Softening Shampoo. It is specifically for dry hair. With her hair being so thick, I use these products just to try to keep any type of moisture in her hair. One thing I do love about this shampoo is that it does not strip it to where it's super dry, and it lathers on the first shampoo. As you can see, I am scrubbing her scalp, just making sure I'm getting rid of all the product buildup on her hair, and then I'm going to shampoo her hair twice to make sure everything is out of her hair from having those braids in for a few weeks. So now I am doing a deep treatment mask. This is Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Fix My Hair Intensive Repair Conditioning Mask. I'm using this as a deep treatment, so I'm putting a good amount on her hair. I'm putting it around the perimeter first, and then I'm going to add some more to the ends, and just make sure to put a lot in there so her hair can retain it. Then I have her sit in a chair. I'm going to split her hair into 4 sections so that I can get the deep treatment mask into her hair completely. So I'm putting it into the first of the 4 sections. I'm just putting the other hair away with some clips. Then I'm going to add a generous amount of the deep treatment mask into her hair. So now I'm using my handy dandy shampoo brush that I love so much, and then I'm detangling her hair with the deep treatment mask in it. I am starting from the ends and working my way up to the roots, just to make sure that I'm not pulling any hair, any unnecessary breakage or damage. So I'm starting from the ends and working my way to the roots. Once I completely detangle it, so I've sectioned another section off, and I'm literally going to follow the same exact steps on this section and do it throughout her head. Now I have my 4 sections completed. This is the shed hair that came from detangling her entire head. Now I'm going to put a shower cap on her head. I have this hot head. You put it in the microwave for 2 minutes and just let it sit on her head for 30 minutes. Now I'm going to rinse out the deep conditioner. I leave her hair in plaits just to make it easier for sectioning when I add the leave-in conditioner. I put the other pieces of hair away. I'm working on the first section. I'm using a towel to dry away the excess hair. Now I'm using Cantu Thermal Shield Heat Protectant because I'm actually going to straighten her hair. So I'm spraying a generous amount on that section. Then I'm going to split it into two just to make it easier and evenly distributed. Now I'm just going to work it in with my hands and then use my shampoo brush to make sure it's all detangled and evenly distributed. Now I'm using Hollywood Beauty's tea tree oil, and I'm going to put a little dime size amount onto her hair as well. Then I'm going to use Silk Elements Mega Silk Olive Glossing Polish, which is also a heat protectant as well. I like to put a lot on there just to make sure that her curls snap back. Now this is the Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream. I'm going to put a generous amount of that and work that in with my hands. And then I'll go with the shampoo brush again just to make sure it's detangled and evenly distributed all the way through. Then I'm going to section it into 3 sections and plait it all the way down. I'm literally going to do that throughout her entire hair just to make sure that her hair is really moisturized, that I get every strand as possible, making sure that her hair will stay moisturized and protected from the blow dryer and the straightening iron, because I'm actually going to straighten her hair after this. So now her hair is actually completely done. I put it into 8 plaits total, but I put all of those products into each section. This is where I would stop at her wash day. Her hair is still wet and in its natural state. So if you wanted to do a natural style, the sections just make it easier for parting, depending on what type of style you're going to do. And then if you're going to blow dry, the sectioning also makes it awesome for that. I hope you guys like this video. Please stay tuned for more content. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out, lovelies.